How to give access to Google Drive link. Hello, hello everyone, and let's get started. Do you want to give the access of your Google Drive's link to everyone but is not able to? If so, let's get started. To get started, first of all, let's open the Google Drive on Google Chrome. Once that is done, let us create a new folder or file. Click on New, then select on New Folder. Name your folder that you want and then create it. Now you can add any type of files under this folder. First of all, let's make sure that the access of this folder is given to all. For that, tap on the three dots which is right beside it, and then you have to go to the section which says Share. Under Share, click on Share option again. Tapping on it, you will see different options such as you can add people into the access of this folder drive, or you could also change the general access. Change it from the restricted to anyone with the link. On its side, you will see some of the rules given to the viewer. It can either be viewer only, editor only, or commenter. This way, if you click on copy link and share it, the access is given to everyone. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.